Hi and welcome back. Just a quick chat today about fire suppression systems. Since the company was formed in 1983, ComSec Protection Systems has been designing, supplying, installing and maintaining fire suppression systems. Over that period, we've seen an awful lot of changes in the industry. The popularity of Halon disappeared, replaced by other clean agent systems such as FM200 and other items like that. And we've seen these changes throughout the industry, and we've kept up to date with the latest standards and requirements from both a risk and environmental point of view. So if you're looking for fire suppression systems, we have a lot of experience with clean agent systems, inert gas systems, so that's your Novex, your FM200s, your IG541s, your Energens, that type of thing. And we also have an awful lot of experience in high pressure water mist systems. So these are becoming more and more popular for protecting spaces like gas turbine generators, commercial kitchens, data centers where um, a very fine water mist is used to put out fires, and it's a very environmentally friendly way of dealing with your risk in these areas, other than your chemical agents and ozone depleting gases and that kind of thing. So if it's something you are interested in, there's a lot involved in these, and it really requires a proper kind of design consultation. But if you have questions around an existing fire suppression system, Novak, FM200, Energen, IG541, Argonite, any of these, you can talk to us. We're experts in these, and we can really help you through the process of possibly upgrading, replacing, installing a new system. Yeah, thanks very much for your time.